Today, I'm gonna tell you about Chatbase. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Chatbase is an AI chatbot builder that lets you build, train, and embed smart chatbots powered by ChatGPT right on your website. The chatbot builder that uses ChatGPT to learn about your business, to build fully customizable chatbots for your website. Quickly train your chatbot with any online or offline data and embed it on your website as an iframe or support widget. Create an intelligent ChatGPT-like chatbot that matches your brand's personality in just seconds. You can embed your own ChatGPT chatbot as a pop-up widget or an iframe. You could leverage the language processing abilities and intelligence of ChatGPT to create a powerful, dynamic chatbot in seconds. Here's how it works. First, choose your data source. It can be a PDF, Word doc, custom prompt, or a website. If you want to use your website, just add the site URL and click Fetch Links. Chatbase will automatically collect every related link to create this chatbot. You can update settings like the base prompt. That's where you will give your chatbot a name or add instructions, like only answering questions in bullet points or responding in specific languages. Creating a chatbot for Product Hunt by crawling the website and training the AI on its content. This chatbot was trained on a document explaining Chatbase. You can embed a widget like this on any page on your website. Alright, now it's time to customize the chat interface. You can write a greeting and preview it in real time. Your messages can include links to FAQ, product demos, or any web page. You can also change the theme, add a profile picture, and pick a color for the text bubbles. You can choose whether this chatbot is public or private, and add your domains. Then Chatbase will generate an HTML script tag and iframe code to embed on your website. Just like that, you've got your own ChatGPT chatbot live and ready to go. You get everything you need to easily create a chatbot powered by ChatGPT to match your brand's personality. You'll be able to edit the base prompt to change your chatbot's vibe to fit specific projects or campaigns. That means your bot can respond in a casual, humorous tone or keep responses under a specific word count. Chatbase makes it easy to train your chatbot offline by uploading files like Word documents, PDF, and other text files. You can use plain text to train your chatbot by copying and pasting info from known and downloadable sources like emails and text messages. Plus, your chatbot will be able to crawl your website for answers when responding to different support questions. It's super easy to customize the look of your chatbot. You can also change the chatbot's opening greeting, whether you want it to introduce itself, offer help, or provide different solutions. Add frequently asked questions as suggested messages, so users can get answers without bogging down your support team. Best of all, you can embed the chatbot on your website as a widget or iframe by simply copy-pasting the HTML code. Once you enter a list of allowed domains, you can easily prevent your chatbot from being used on other sites. And you will be able to use the Chatbase API to communicate with the bot from any app, streamlining your workflow. Once you level up your chatbot with ChatGPT, customers will get the answers they're looking for right at their fingertips. Easily build and train an intelligent chatbot powered by ChatGPT with online and offline data. Just upload your documents or add a link to your website and get a ChatGPT-like chatbot for your data. Then add it as a widget to your website or chat with it through the API. Chatbase gives you everything you need to build your own chatbot, train it with online and offline data, and add it to your website. Upgrade your customer service. So, click on the link below to Chatbase for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.